How did Garma school begin?
Garma school began in my father's time. He was in the forces with the Gurkhas. That means he was well respected within the village community. When he saw me going to school, 2 hours walk to school and 2 hours back, he felt that was unnecessary, not only for me but with other children involved. So he decided to speak to a village man who had a piece of land. So he gave a piece of land, and my father contributed the fund to build a little house. And the school masters were all volunteers from the local villages. So it was the beginning of Garma school when my father came from his leave. And one thing, Darren, when the British Army recruits the Gurkhas, the father will travel to foreign lands without their family. Like myself, when my father was away, I have to stay at home, not knowing about my father. And so did my mother, stayed with me.